guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with a new project, the 57 Chevy from the movie Dirty Dancing. Now, some of you probably remember the Hidden Figures 57 Chevy that I tried a couple years back, and so don't have really great luck with them. But I'm going to be using this one, the Snap Type 57 Bel Air from Revell, and hopefully that'll give me a little bit better luck this time. And not going to go too crazy, but do want to just show off a little bit of what's going on with this kit. Generally nice looking body. I do have to deepen the panel lines on it, and I got to remove that fuel injection badge from the fender, but well, it's pretty clean. Single piece chassis there. I'm going to have to do a little bit of paint detailing on that. Pretty good looking chrome here. All one piece for the front bumper and grille, and it has the usual bad seam on the back here, so that's something I'm going to try to address. And it has these oversized wheels that Revell was putting in everything, so I won't be using those. I'll be using these, a set of wheels and hubcaps from AMT's 57 Chevy. Just a couple more quick things. Has a one-piece glass, a separate dashboard with pedals, and finally a set of pretty decently detailed separate door panels and the back of the front bench seat. So there we go. Like I said, not a terribly complex kit, but pretty decent looking for what it is. And I think I'll be able to use it to show some weathering and detailing techniques, especially on the chassis. So check back next week for the first update, and thanks for watching.